Yo, I be procrastinating. That's my problem. Like, this video should have been done like last week. Anyways, let's get into it. So someone in the comment section referred to these styles as like lazy girl hairstyles, and I love that. I love the concept of that. Like, natural hair is literally just why not? Why not? So you know what? I'm about to make it even lazier. I'm about to give you guys I guess a platform or format for multiple styles, especially if you have some clip-ins or if you have long enough hair. But we gonna use the clip-ins for this one. So y'all about to see about like 5 videos, probably 6, I don't know, depending on how many styles I come up with. Y'all about to be seeing this, I guess, this foundation for these videos. Okay, so let's get into it. First, we're gonna do the half up, half down. So get this side. I want more up. Yeah, definitely want more up. I like that. Let's see if I part it correctly. Okay. Okay. I don't know what be going on with my hair. Okay, I like that. I like it, Picasso. And guess what, y'all? We have regular size scrunchies, y'all. I should have probably opened this before I even started the video. I was just happy to have them. We have scissors, so it shouldn't be that hard. Good thing we have 2. No, for real. Okay, no, seriously, I need you to cooperate. Y'all would think that like the smartest thing to do would be to just like let this go, but as y'all know, parting is not my strong suit, and I'm just not about to deal with it. I wish y'all could see me right now. I'm really like putting in work. Okay. I just dropped something else. What's that? Oh, these them heavy duties. Okay, so we got that. Now for the braid down. This is pivotal, especially if you're using, even if you're not using the clip-ins, this is pivotal because who doesn't like elongated curls? Like, stretch some curls out. So with this braid down, either for your clip-ins or just for a regular braid out, it works. So we're about to braid. Don't matter how you braid it, just braid it down, okay? Let's get into it. Okay, I got a couple things to say. Let's get into this hang time. Lil Bow Wow, you just don't know. I got a hang time. But anyways, okay. So this is basically the foundation of these styles. I'm missing one more key thing because if you know, and you've seen my previous videos with these clip-ins, I'm not leaving nothing out. Unless it's part of the style, I'm not leaving it out. I refuse to. Don't care to. Don't see why. Just doesn't make sense to me. So I do this part thing with this. I call it like my invisible. I don't know. I don't even know what I call it. Basically, I make a big twist and I cover the tracks. So let's make sure we do it correctly this time because I was rushing in one of my videos and people started clowning me. And I don't like that, because if they looked at my other videos, they would know that this method does work, but in that moment it didn't. So just make sure you take your time with your hair, okay? These are lazy girl hairstyles, but you still gotta be cautious. So cautious lazy girl hairstyles. So I'm gonna put that back, put this forward. Let me see if I like this. Yeah, that's enough. And then I just twist all the way. So we're gonna twist. And this method helps because it's like, who really, the point of protective styles and like lazy styles and just styles on the go is literally to be able to go. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, why would you want to have to blend your hair every day? And you probably don't have to do it every day, but why have to do it at all, you know? So this twist definitely does give me free room, free range to just put the clip-ins and go. So hold on 1 second, almost done. Okay, we're gonna puff this twist out. So we can make sure that it has enough pull to go over the tracks, okay? And I'm going to rubber band the bottom. Not this part, because I want it to be as loose as possible. So rubber band the bottom. And I'll show you how to hide it later after I put the clip-ins in. So this is basically my foundation. I have my hair in the front for me to style however I want. This twist in the back. And these braids for my clip-ins. So now let's get into styling. Okay, so the clip-ins are in. If you want a detailed tutorial on how I put the clip-ins in, definitely check out my Better Length series. I have it as a playlist, I want to say. But yeah, okay, so clip-ins are in. Yes, it's my hair. I bought it. I'm just like, nah, I actually didn't. But yeah, okay. So we're gonna take these. What you will need is bobby pins, okay? Don't be stingy with the bobby pins, okay? So I'm gonna start right here. You make sure, like, I have a feeder track going around, like covering my whole head. So I'm going to take this and put it over that feeder track. That feeder track. I'm gonna clip it. Clip it, clip it, clip it. I'm gonna clip it, clip it, clip it. I'm gonna clip it. Making sure all the tracks are covered. Okay. And with this little piece, twist it tighter. And then put it behind. And get another bobby pin. And let that in the bag. Okay. So now that that is done, now on to the styling. I said that already, but now for real, onto the styling. Here's the back for reference. Tracks covered. Okay, seriously, now styling. So first and foremost, of course, we want those edges done. My edge brush is dirty. Ew. Okay, it's done. Okay, this style is pretty simple, and I think I have enough hair to master it now. So I'm gonna take my brush, brush everything up, and then just start braiding. Where do I want to start my braid? Do I want it this way or this way? Let's see. Want it this way or this way? I don't know. So I guess whichever way is easier to braid. Maybe this way. No, that don't feel natural. Okay, we gonna braid this way. That felt so unnatural, y'all. It's not even funny. And I try to get as close to my, well, actually, I try to center it. I'm lying, y'all. I'm lying. Never know what. We towards the end. Whew. Oh, shit. I made the brush go Papa Willie. Y'all. Now I'm out of breath. It's gonna all come together. Y'all gonna see and y'all gonna be like, okay, okay. So now I braid this all the way down. All the way down. But not too tight on the ends because y'all about to see. I'm about to fluff it. 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 Staying alive. Okay, so you fluff. Make that braid big. You can also do this with a twist. I braid because my hair just doesn't stay with twist. And then I take my bobby pin, put it behind the tracks, and then I let my hair go. I feel like I was like opening up one of them poofy dresses. Definitely need to add some water to this, so I'll be right back, and I'm about to come back a whole new girl. And I am done. It's crazy how much of a difference my hair being done makes, because when my hair done, I'm a bad bitch. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back for these lazy girl hairstyles, because I'm gonna keep bringing them. I'm gonna keep bringing them because I'm a lazy natural. I am. I'm a lazy natural. Like, if it's cute and it's quick, it's for me. But okay, love you guys. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and yeah, love you guys. See you later.